Here I have Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up, and that's how you enter recovery mode menu. Here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Firstly, you have to select preferred language. Let's select English, and then you have to select 6 option, wipe cache partition, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a few seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.